Nichols, this is Oside USD in 1 minute.
Conozcan a Kinsey, parte de la clase de educación especial de la maestra Rachel Prentice.
So many kids want to be in this room because they want to be with Kinsey, and then they also end up making other friends along the way.
Kinsey conecta con todos los estudiantes.
She makes me feel better. One day I didn't really feel good, and I came in here and she cheered me up.
Does Kinsey make you happy?
Yeah.
I see a lot of kids who are nonverbal in here. They don't have a way to express themselves, but they have a way to connect with her.
Kinsey fue un regalo de Guide Dogs of America and Tender Loving Canines o perros guía y caninos tiernos y amorosos de América. Es un perro guía especialmente entrenado para el salón de clase.
If she sees someone off task, she has a command called a nudge, and she'll kind of go up to them and nudge them to kind of refocus their attention. She will go to people that are crying or feel sad.
Y eso es su Oside USD in 1 minute.